My girlfriend and I were in Costa waiting for our order. The young baristas, brackets all girls, were badly overwhelmed and customers were starting to get shirty. One of the delivery drivers started to get really angry with one of the girls. Oh no, you just want bigging up delivery. To which my girlfriend took offence and tried to intervene to stick up for the girls, who were ultimately doing their best, calling the guy out for being rude and telling them they didn't deserve to be spoken to as they were.
How are you doing? If you just joined us, hi, hello. You've been with us for 6. Carry on. Press bar on the way for you. Also brand new music from Cass is Dead and Koji Radical. This now from Mel Brown and Annie Mac.
Why did you go like this? You were in the wrong lane! You was in the wrong lane!
That's why it's a yellow box.
back a bit, you fucking fanny.
You could hear the fucking music going.
It's ridiculous, look up.
Look.
Yeah, you're right. Tit.
Tell ya.
Yeah, you're right.
Fucking knob end.
Yeah, no, what's he in a worry for?
Fucking knob.
Never free, never me. So I don't forgive. To embed it in with our medical training, we've got to embed it within the business. That makes it work. This consumption will happen.
Mate, hang on.
To what?
Oh, well, that's considerate. You just waited.
Bother looking. Look at the spotted you, mate.
Oh.